Good morning, Savers. It's 4:47 and it's 56 degrees. It's brisk. It smells so good out here. Feel the goosebumps popping up here. Well, Wanda got back from her surgery last night and just doing really well. They didn't have to give her anesthesia. They gave her a spinal block and just some kind of local to make her kind of knock her out, but not put her under, let's say. So really happy about that. And she's getting her exercises. Nurse Tanya is getting on her for making sure she's doing her knee exercises to really support her recovery on her knee replacement. So blessings on that. And mindfulness quotes of the week's focus is around mindfulness. And mindfulness is about love and loving life. When you cultivate this love, it gives you clarity and compassion for life. By Jon Kabat-Zinn, or Jon Kabat-Zinn. Jon Kabat-Zinn is he was a professor. Not sure what university, but I think back in the 90s, he really went into I think it's Buddhist meditation and really looked at the components of that and created kind of a westernized version of mindfulness training specifically for stress reduction. So it's been a real tool that's going on 30 years now that I've been around. And I use some of his stuff, or a lot of his stuff actually. So I might be sharing some of that, but I love the mindfulness piece where it's about love. And his perspective is if we're aware and in the moment, it reduces our stress and anxiety and makes you more present, makes you more clear about what's important instead of ruminating about the past or the uncertainties of the future. We just are in this moment. So, like in this walk, just being aware of the smells and being aware of the noises, or actually lack of noises, like the birds and things are really quiet right now, so it's a little different than a week or two ago even. So part of this walk is really to practice mindfulness, and walking is one of the tools that they use, and it's just a good thing. I know I've seen a big shift in kind of how I work through the day and how I relate with people because of this walk every morning. It just puts me a little more in control of my mindset and how I live the moment. Love to hear your thoughts. As always, thanks for joining me on the morning walk, and join me every day if you want. So if you have any comments or thoughts or ideas, I'd love to hear them. If you do something similar to this or have in the past, this is about you, and share yourself here. Frank, come out and play. Where are you, Frank? What's going on with the focus? Oh, there you are. I see ya. Way over there. Good morning, Frank. just taking a little break around noon. It's sunny outside, about 80 degrees. Don't have a fire going, but I'm just gonna sit here in the sun for a bit. This is a very simple recipe. So it's like a summer vegetable salad, and so essentially just fresh vegetables, tomato, onion. I'm using red onion; it's a little sweeter, and a cucumber. This is a part of an English cucumber, something with not a real kind of bitter peel. So these are nice sweet peels, or you can just peel a cucumber. A little oregano, parsley, you know I love parsley, salt, and then the world's best salad dressing in the world. And I'll put a link in the description below for that. And I'm just going to time this. So let's see. So as far as just strategy, I'm going to try to make this a little heavier in the tomato, and then try to make the sizes of the pieces about the same size, so it kind of feels similar in the mouth. You could also use lemon juice. You could use really any type of dressing on this salad. We just like the world's best salad dressing. So that took 6 minutes. This would be a good thing if you knew you were busy coming home after work. You could do this the night before and marinate it in this dressing. I'm going to add a little more dressing. I love this. Let's let this swim in this dressing. You can pop home real quick if you have some leftovers, like maybe leftover chicken or a burger or something from the night before. This would be a great add to that for a simple dinner. And in 6 minutes you have a good healthy summer snack, and more time to just hang out with your family or go for a walk or just sit and be outside.